Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this PowerPoint tutorial, we'll be talking about add-ins. Now, not many people pay attention to add-ins, but if you find the right add-ins for you, they can be great help in presentations. We can find our add-ins in the Insert tab, right here in the Add-ins group. Now, let's click on My Add-ins to see what add-ins I already have installed. So, I only have something called Pro Word Cloud. That's the only add-in I have installed in Office. I could get any kind of add-ins I liked from the Get Add-ins button, which takes me to the same window but the store. And this window opens up with all the add-ins that I could add to my Office and use in my presentations right here in PowerPoint. Now here we have all the add-ins. We have categories: Best Apps of the Year, Document Review, Editor's Picks, Education, Productivity, Visualization, and so on. I could even search by typing something right here in the search bar. Now let's take a look at some Editor's Picks. A very useful add-in is PickIt. It says it helps you make impactful presentations in minutes. So PickIt is basically an add-in that gives you access to licensed photos and clip art. If I wanted to install it, I would simply click on Add, agree to the terms, continue, and here it is, PickIt. So if I wanted to use it, I could simply click on it, and this panel will open up here on the right, PickIt. So you see here public images in categories that you could use in your presentation. Let's take a look at some more add-ins. A great add-in, if you use videos in your presentations a lot, would be a YouTube add-in. So this add-in right here, Web Video Player, you can add YouTube videos to your PowerPoint presentations or Excel spreadsheets. If you were a math or science teacher, for example, maybe you would need an app to help you write equations. So let's type in math and see what results we get back. So we have a few here. This one, free fun interactive simulations for science and math. This one brings your handwritten math to life. So you see how many selections you could have using add-ins. Just search through the categories or type in what exactly you are looking for, and I'm sure you'll find the right add-ins for you. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.